Hey guys, it's Chuck with Bootleg Garage. I just did an install of fog lights on my 2001 Ford F150. This is what the old ones looked like. This one here is not too bad, but the other one, you can see how it's orange, and that's not good. But here's the new ones. And I wound up changing out the light bulbs to LED light bulbs. The way to install these is it's in like this, and there's 3 8mm screws you gotta take out, and those are back here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, it's really good install. I'll leave a link down in the description for these ones here. And I'll go ahead and turn them on for you right now, that way you guys can see what they look like. Yeah, the LED lights really make them shine. Yeah, they're really bright. I haven't got LEDs for the headlights yet. But yeah, these things are bright as heck. You just gotta do little adjustments on them, as they're not self-adjusting. So before you install them, do the little adjustments on the backs of them. There's little screws that you gotta turn. But yeah, other than that, they're pretty much a plug-and-play device, and they work really well. Sorry this is such a short video. Hopefully you guys are doing good today. It's about 105 out here in Nevada right now, so I'm going in to cool down. Alright, so I'll leave a link in the description for these fog lights and the LED lights also. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Really appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.